Today we're going to talk about a man who's considered one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. It is important to study about some of the greatest investors of all time. Warren Buffett is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational company. He's widely considered one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. He's known for his simple, yet effective approach to investing, and his ability to spot undervalued companies and make smart investment decisions. But what sets Warren Buffett apart from other investors? What makes him so successful? Well, there are a few key principles that Warren Buffett has lived by, and these principles have been instrumental in his success as an investor. Let's take a look at some of these principles. First, it's important to have a long-term perspective when investing. Warren Buffett has said that he's not interested in short-term gains, but instead focuses on making investments that will pay off in the long run. Second, it's crucial to do your research. Warren Buffett is famous for spending hours upon hours researching companies before making an investment. He believes that it's important to understand a company's financials and business model before making an investment. And finally, be patient. Warren Buffett has been investing for over 60 years, and he knows that success doesn't come overnight. He believes that it's important to have patience and not be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. So, these are just a few of the key principles that Warren Buffett has lived by, and they're principles that we can all learn from. But what else makes Warren Buffett unique? Did you know that Warren Buffett is an avid ukulele player? He's been known to play for crowds at Berkshire Hathaway annual meetings and other events. He's also known for his philanthropy and giving back to society. He's pledged to give away 99% of his wealth to charity during his lifetime. So, there you have it. Warren Buffett is not only a successful investor, but he's also a well-rounded individual who has a passion for music and giving back to society. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content on investing and personal finance. And, who knows, maybe you'll be the next Warren Buffett.